Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix KML failed to find Roblox process. So have you encountered this problem? A malfunction or error can happen from time to time. The failed to find Roblox process or KRNL injector error is one such issue that Roblox users or Windows PCs could experience. If this problem seems similar to you, you've come to the correct place. So the very first thing to do is to just simply end the Roblox task here. You just have to go to your task manager, find Roblox or any related thing to this game, and all you have to do is to right click and then click end task. The second thing to do is to go search menu and type this person symbol app data person symbol slash KRNL and then tap OK. So actually you can see it right here. Okay, so when you see that, you just have to right click and then delete KRNL. Okay, and then once you have deleted that, you just have to tap this app data, go to app data, and then go to a local. Look for the Roblox folder. Tap this one and then go to logs, right click, and then delete. So you have to delete logs. Now exit this folder. Next thing to do is to go back to your start menu and then look for antivirus or Windows Defender Firewall. Now what you're going to do now is to disable your Windows Defender or any other antivirus software because somehow it affects or this can be one of the reasons why you encounter this problem. And then lastly, we have here launch your Roblox application to see if all these methods work and it fix the problem. Find Roblox process KRNL. So this is just one of a few ways and how to fix KML fail to find Roblox process. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.